Hi everybody, it's me Sam again. We're going to take a video of my nannies and Papa's air conditioner real quick before we leave. I'm making a video of the thermostat in my mom's barber shop. I told you I would get a video of the air conditioner. Dang, all this water. How am I supposed to get across here? Just, I guess, jump. Here it is. I haven't seen it in a while, guys. Got an LG Scroll. Brand new. Carrier. It's even got a sticker on its blade, too. LG Scroll. There's a sticker. Energy Get 13's here. 2023. It's a 3-ton. It's been in the factory, but we really got it in 2025. That's cold a little bit. It's outer temperature. The thingy says from November 28th, 2023. I'm gonna you guys, we might get a good startup of it. Jump. So I'm gonna take you guys up, and I'm gonna go inside and check out the thermostat. Stay here, guys. Yeah, guys, it might maybe turn on. Here it is. Comfort series. There's the pool. It's not running right now. It's not running. Just turned on. See, guys, just turned on. Got another startup of it. Of course, I got another startup of it. Here it is, it's running. I just hit my hand. It's getting nice and cold. It's outer temperature. It's blowing some hot air out. It's a fan motor. Some very good fan blades. Very good compressor and stuff. Yeah, it might rain pretty soon. It's just high winds of gusts up to 35 miles per hour today, but it's up to 30 right now. So you see the trees and stuff are moving. And you want to take a look at the pool heater and stuff. Gotta be careful. It's all muddy right here, guys. Guys, be careful. It's the heater. The heater's right here, guys. Here's the pump. Running pool water. Yeah, I can't believe I got it starting up. Yes, very good air conditioner. Grass is planting there. It's running good. There's one under it, looks like. Yeah, alright guys. You want to see the furnace and the thermostat? Okay guys. Let's go see it. There it is. So, it's kind of warm in here. 74. It's called Emerson's thermostat. Here's the furnace. Yeah, I know what you want to look. So you can hear. That means the air's running. Here's this other air conditioner that I made. It's Carrier 2023 ton. That's another one. That's Bryant. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye guys.